Hello students, this video is second part of our novel The Guide. Today we are going to learn summary of novel. Grows up near a railway station and becomes a shopkeeper and then a resourceful tourist guide. Means this novel is open from a railway station and there is a Raju who is the protagonist of novel. He meets Roji, a beautiful dancer, and her husband, whom Raju nicknames Marco because the man dresses in a thick jacket and helmet as if undertaking an expedition like Marco Polo. Means Raju gives the name of her husband as Marco Polo. Marco is a scholar and anthropologist who is more interested in his research than in his young wife Roji. So he is a Marco and he is anthropologist. Anthropologist means a person who study of human being and he doesn't show interest in his wife. Raju and Marco engage Raju's services as tourist guide and he takes them the sightseeing. So like that, Raju is tourist guide and he shows various places and spots to Marco. While Marco is away studying cave painting, Raju falls in love with Roji. When Marco discovers that Raju and Roji have become lovers, Marco abandons her and returns to Madras. At that time, they fall down in love, and after that, Marco discovered. So Marco head to Roji and live to Roji and go to Madras. Raju becomes infatuated with Roji. He is so obsessed with Roji that he forgets his business, falls in debt, and loses his job at the railway station. In love, he forgets all these things and he loses his business. After that, he falls down in debt, etc. He also loses his mother's respect because he is living with a married woman. So naturally, mother also head to Raju because of love. Raju's mother moves out of their house and the house is claimed to pay off his debt. So like that also he loses his house. Raju encourages Roji to resume her career as a dancer and becomes her manager, launching her successful career as an interpreter of the Bharatanatyam, the classical dance of India. After that, he encourages to Roji and help all these things to become the dancer. He helps to money. After that, other things, and Roji become the famous dancer as a Bharatanatyam. But he spends money extravagantly and he is thickly by the Marco into forging Roji's signature for a package of the jewels, a mistake that earns him a 2-year prison sentence. So think about here, he become manager, but he spends money of Roji. And one day he falls on the one check of Roji and Marco know all these things. He complained to police station and police caught to him in jail and he lives in jail 2 years. Means that is a imprisonment or punishment to Raju. When he is released from the prison, Raju stopped to rest near as a abandon, and after released to jail, he goes to other place. There is a temple and he live in that temple in other village. He is happy to accept the daily offering of food which is the villagers bring him. And after that, villagers also gives the foods, meal, all these things to him because villagers believe on the Raju as a saint. Gradually, he accepts the role which has been the trust upon him and he acts as spiritual advisor to the village community. Sometimes also he advisor to villager has a spiritual saint. A drop occur and to show face he has to take the 12 days. There is a problem of the rain. There is a one type of drop. That's why he take the 12 days fast. And this is a means situation or this news spread the whole area. Yeah, people gather there. After that, also media gather and they publish the news of Raju as a fast. He has taken an unselfish task, not for the love or money, for the first time in his life. Despite grave danger to his health, he continued to fast until he collapses. Due to fast, he becomes the weaker. He can't walk properly, and he think about I will die or rain will come. His legs sat down as he feels that his rain is falling in the hills. The ending of the novel leaves unanswered the question of whether he dies or whether the drought has really ended. So that is the unfinished novel. Means it is depend on us to try to understand if there is a rain or Raju is died. Keywords of the summary: depth means low, drought it is not raining in particular place. Extravagantly means largely. Anthropologist, a person study of human being. Impulsive, without feeling. Indulge, to respect to other desire. These are keywords of this summary. Central theme of this novel are: a central theme of the novel is the transformation of Raju from his role as a tour guide to that of the spiritual guide. So there is a transformation of Raju from tour guide to spiritual guide. So you remember this. The title of novel, the guide has a double meaning, and Raju is a sense a double character. Also we know Raju as a tourist guide and Raju as a saint. So there is a double role of Raju. As a tour guide and lover, he is impulsive, unprincipled and self-indulgent. After his imprisonment and after his transformation as a holy man, he is carefully, thoughtfully and self-disciplined. Means after become saint, he becomes the carefully. Yeah, take the care of the property to village. He is a transformed from a sinner to saint. Thought he is a never truly sinner and never truly a saint. Because of his capacity for empathy, Raju is a sympathetic character through the novel. So he shows the empathy, sympathy to villager. So there is the main theme is transformation in this novel. Main points of summary. If you study of novel, so you remember these main points. Raju and Velar, early boyhood. Raju at school. Malgudi railway station. The making of a saint. Railway Raju, Marco, Roji. The drought at Himai. Roji at Raju's home. The exit of Raju's mother. Roji makes a debut, a downfall, martyrdom. These are main points of summary. So, question will be asked in university exam, like as question first, here's the character of Raju in novel of R.K. Narayan, the guide. It is the important question. To write this question, to remember following points. Number one is introduction. Number second is as a lover. Third is lack of passion. Fourth is a murdered prisoner. Fifth is as a spiritual guide. Last is conclusion. Second questions will be asked in university exam, like as question second, point out the sources of Narayan's humor in the guide, because always R.K. Narayan's focus to humor theme. So if you want to solve this question, so remember this point: introduction, humor of characters, irony and with humor in dialogue, and last is conclusion. And this novel is available on YouTube as a movie. So if you want to watch this movie, so remember this link of movie The Guide 1965 full Hindi movie HD, Devanand, Vaida Raymond, Lila Fitness. So we will discuss other things in next video. Thank you.